Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use both SIM card and memory card in your hybrid SIM card slot smartphone. So let's get started. You need this adapter to use both SIM card plus memory card in your hybrid SIM card slot phone. Link given in the description. Just tap and grab it. First insert your SIM card into the adapter correctly and gently hold the adapter. Now place your first SIM card. And check the position of the second SIM card. And place your memory card. You need to place the adapter in this position. Now insert the slot in correct manner. That's it. Now both of your SIM card are working. Keep your phone with your phone case. Or stick the adapter using tape. Second method is, you can also use both SIM card in hybrid SIM card slot without adapter. First you need to take out the chip from SIM card. Separate the SIM card chip from the plastic case. You can heat SIM card plastic, which will make easier to remove chip. But keep the SIM over fire flame for only 1 to 2 seconds only. Overheating will damage the SIM. Trim any extra part of the SIM chip, if necessary. Glue the SD card and SIM chip together. Make sure you line the SIM chip in the proper direction. After glue dries, put it in the SIM tray and insert along with regular SIM. So, is it worth trying? I would say no. Because it takes precise work, failing in which may result in damage of phone slot, or SIM chip, or also SD card. But if you require dual SIM and memory card together, then proceed at your own risk. Alternatively, you can try first method, buy the adapter from online, and use both SIM card and SD card without any risk. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel, and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.